Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore how we can transform the perception of the trucking profession. We'll be tapping into professional training, enhancing business relationships and communication, and leveraging the power of monitoring and preventive maintenance to boost safety. By the end of this video, you'll have gained insights into creating a more positive outlook for the trucking industry. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these strategies. Now let's dive into how we can shift the perception of the trucking profession in society. There are a few key methods we can use to overcome the negative perception that many people have of trucking today. These include professional training, improving business relationships and communication, and using monitoring and preventive maintenance to enhance safety. By implementing these methods, we can help people see trucking as a respectable profession and solve the industry's current hiring issues. So how do we implement professional training? The trucking profession is often seen as unprofessional, but we can change this perception by introducing regular professional training for drivers. Now, given the nature of the job, in-person training can be challenging. The solution? Moving that training online. At the moment, only 10% of fleets use online training for their drivers. That's a pretty low percentage, but it also means there's a lot of room for improvement. However, one of the major hurdles to implementing professional training is that drivers often view training as punishment. The key to changing this mindset is to shift the focus from remedial instruction to professional improvement. If truckers see themselves as professionals, it should help improve the public's perspective of them too. Next, let's talk about improving business relationships and communication. Long wait times, poor communication, and other factors often contribute to feelings of hostility between drivers and business partners. To address these issues, truck drivers need to communicate more consistently with shippers and receivers. This could be achieved through professional training or by providing onboard tools that alert business partners to the current status of trucks and shipments. Finally, we need to address safety. Many people view truck drivers as unsafe, but we can change this perception with the help of the Internet of Things. IoT devices can monitor driver behaviors, like speeding or swerving, and provide a level of accountability that can ensure safe conduct on the roads. But it's not just about monitoring driver behavior. Vehicle monitoring tracks the current condition of the trucks themselves, alerting us when something needs repair. This use of IoT devices facilitates predictive fleet maintenance, which can go a long way toward ensuring each vehicle is safe to operate on the road and, as a result, improving public perception of trucking as a profession. By focusing on professional training, improving business relationships and communication, and enhancing safety through monitoring and preventive maintenance, we can significantly improve the perception of the trucking profession in society. Let's work together to make these changes and help the trucking industry thrive. And that concludes our discussion for today. I hope you found this information useful and it gives you a fresh perspective on the trucking profession. We've covered professional training, business relationships, communication, and safety measures, all with the aim of improving the public's perception of the trucking industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and to learn more about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.